Let's talk about the tenor staging of pubertal development in female and in male. So starting with the female, you have two components. You have to look at the breast and look at the development of the pubic hair. There are 5 stages of development. Stage 1 is no development, and stage 4 is mature or adult-like features. So stage 1, no development, and stage 5 is mature or adult development. So what we have to focus on mainly is the stage 2, 3, and 4. So let's start with the breast development. Stage 1, as I said before, it's no development, so it's pre-adolescent, does not have any development. In the next stage, stage 2, there is elevation of the breast and papilla. Papilla means areola. Papilla here is areola. Elevation of breast and areola as a small mound. Elevation as a small mound. In stage 3, this mound enlarges in size, but there is no separation of the contours. I mean, there is no separation of the areola and the breast. The breast and areola are in a harmony. There is no separation of the contour of breast and areola. That's the important thing about 3. So 3S, no separation of contour. Stage 4 is separation of the contour. There is some separation. The areola is projected and the papilla is projected. So papilla here is the nipple. So the nipple is projected above the breast to form a mound. And stage 5, the projected areola actually recess. The areola recesses in stage 5, and overall the breast size and shape is mature. So here in stage 5, the most important word to look for is the recession of areola to the breast contours. Recession of areola to the contour of breast is stage 5. That is important. So if we review and recap, stage 1, no development, pre-adolescent. Stage 2, elevation of the areola and the nipple, or overall the papilla and the breast as a small mound. Stage 3, further enlargement of the breast and areola and nipple, but there is no separation of contour. So in stage 3, there is no separation. But in stage 4, there is separation. There is separation of the areola and the nipple from the breast. The areola and the nipple forms a separate contour above the breast. But in stage 5, the areola comes back, or areola recess. The areola recess in stage 5. Okay, so those are the stages of development of the breast. Now let's go to the pubic hair. Pubic hair development is easier to remember. So stage 1 is no development, and stage 5 is adult-like hair extending up to the inner thighs. Adult hair extending up to the inner thighs. That word is important, inner thighs. Now let's talk about the middle stages. Stage 2, there is some hair, but they are low in number, sparse. They're long and they're very straight. In stage 3, the number of hair increase, the color becomes darker, and the hair from straight, it becomes curled. So 3C, you can see 3C. In stage 3, the hair starts to curl. In stage 3, the hair starts curling. In stage 4, the number of the hair and the concentration of the hair increase, but it still has not spread to the medial thigh. It covers almost all the mons pubis, but it does not yet cover the medial thigh. That's the main difference between stage 4 and stage 5. So if I recap, stage 1, no development. Stage 2, sparse, long, and straight hair. Stage 3, darker, coarse, and curled hair. Darker, coarser, and curled. The curl is important. Curling occurs in stage 3. In stage 4, the number of the hair and the darkness increase, but it does not involve the inner thigh. And in stage 5, the hairs also involve the inner thighs. So those are the tanal stage of development in female. Now let's go over the tanner staging of males. So first start with genitalia, and then we will talk about the pubic hair. In the genitalia development, stage 1 is no development, that is pre-adolescent. Stage 5 is adult size of the penis, testes, and scrotum. So stage 1, no development. Stage 5 is adult size of the penis, testes, and scrotum. In the stage 2, the scrotum increases in size, the testes increases in size, and the skin of the scrotum starts to become wrinkled. But in stage 3, the important difference is the penis also start to grow in stage 3. Penis starts to grow in stage 3. Scrotal and testicular development continues. In stage 4, the penis develops further, and there is further growth of the testes, further wrinkling of the scrotum, but it's not yet to the adult size. And in stage 5, everything is in adult size. The last one is the pubic hair. In stage 1, there is no development of pubic hair. In stage 5, there is dark, coarse, and curled pubic hair which extend towards the umbilicus. So in case of female, we learned the word medial thigh. If the pubic hair involves the medial thigh, that is adult. In male, when the pubic hair starts to grow towards the umbilicus, that is adult-like. Now, the middle parts are the middle stages. In stage 2, just like female, the pubic hair are sparse, long, and straight, just like women. Same, almost same. And in stage 3, it becomes curled through C, darker and curled hair. The curling starts at stage 3. And in stage 4, the amount of hair increases, but it does not involve the area just below the umbilicus. It does not extend towards the umbilicus. So that's the main difference between stage 4 and 5. Stage 4, all the things are present, but does not extend towards the umbilicus. Stage 5, extend towards the umbilicus. So those are the Tanner stages of